This is our level 1 routine that goes in between the bookends. Level 1 is the lady's left and right turns, and our routine is to change places, she goes, he goes. That's our simplest version. Now in this video, this is an old video, we did a she goes, he goes, she goes, but we don't do the third one. We just do 2 of each. So 2 change places, and then a she goes, he goes. Let's watch. Okay, he's going to do another she goes. We don't do that anymore. We want to keep starting on the same side. We get in a row of dancers when we practice this, and we will rotate fairly quickly so that we can get this down. So we'll just practice this, and then we'll add it, because this is like the filling in an Oreo cookie, and the cookie part is the bookends. So let's look at one more time. And we can just take a look at the lady. Notice that all the lady is doing is turning left and right. So we've given these figures different names, but that's for the lady. The lead is the same for everyone. Go straight, turn, do a half turn. Here we go. Okay, that was the ladies. Now we'll have a slower version of this where we add a third figure. Let's take a look at that. Okay, this is slower music. It's going to be 2 change places, she goes, he goes, and then what we call 2 sliding doors. And the sliding doors are just the lady's left and right turns. You don't slide with your back to, you do your full half turn, ladies, as always, and face down your line. But you do it without, instead of the arm going over your head, the arm's going to stay down. So let's watch. We'll watch the first 2. So the first 2 are change places. That's 1 change places. 2 change places. This is she goes. This is he goes. And now the sliding door is same, his change places footwork. He's going to come to the side to get out of her way. And he's just going to move the connection that way. So she asks her to turn left. Let's watch the first one. So this is just her left turn. There. So she did her left turn. After he asks her to turn, he can drop the arm. Notice she's not going to slide here. She's doing her full half a turn. Let's watch it. See there? So she's facing this way. She doesn't stop with her back to him. Sliding doors is kind of a misnomer. I actually prefer to call this so like change places, turn away, or something like that. Okay, and then so they finish there. This is going to be a 1, and he's going to move the connection that way to ask her to turn to her right. And this is like your he's going to do his footwork that you learned from a send out, actually, to get back to where he started. Here we go. There. And she's going to turn to her right in the other direction. There. So she ended facing the other direction. And then he's going to, as we'll see, he'll bring her back to close so we can do the bookend. So let's look at this. So we have the short version of the routine, which was 2 change places, she goes, he goes, and then we have, those are, let's say, four figures, and then we have the 6-figure version, which is with its sliding doors. This is the 6-figure version. 2 change places. Okay, so that's our Oreo cookie filling, and we're going to put that in between our bookends to create a routine. So this is a short video. We're going to end it here. Let's just watch the whole routine here one more time. And by the way, her name's Kathy. Okay, that's our level 1 routine, and see you in the next video.